Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a really quick get ready with me. I just want to kind of plan some products as I get ready to go out with some friends, and I wanted to show you all. So if you like this look, keep watching. Can we just like acknowledge her? Like, curls came to do what they were supposed to do. Wow, love this for me. So let's go ahead and get started. Primer, YC Collection primer. Honestly, we'll be using this until I get rid of it. It's just that good. So I'm just gonna work on the brows. And you guys know that we are gonna go in with the Anastasia Brow Freeze. This stuff is glorious. I love this stuff. Like, this brow pencil is so good. But using the Brow Freeze first, like, you get such a clean look. Like, already, if I want to be done, like, this could be the brow. I'm just gonna fill in a little bit of the pieces that are a little slim, a little scarce. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I'm in the shade 56.5P. So we're gonna take the Real Techniques 200 brush, and really just gonna put a little dot on this one and buff out all the areas. So like the perimeter of my face and kind of everywhere where the big brush was too big to blend is where we're gonna go with this. That looks so good. Love that for me. Now, concealer. We're gonna go in with the Nuts Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Cappuccino. Gonna go right there. I'm gonna go a little bit on my nose, and you really should wet your brushes. Wet your sponges when you want to blend. So let me go wet some of these to get a nice damp. Okay, so with the damp sponge, you're gonna take it, and this is what you're gonna use to blend. And you'll see a nice clean. I'm gonna go back over the eyelid since that's probably dried down a little bit. And then we're gonna just go. Perfect. Okay, so just taking the smaller foundation brush is where you see that line of like where the concealer foundation meet. We're just gonna clean that up. Let me set my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Tap off some of that extra and right under that. We're gonna go right on the nose and set that. Now for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my foundation stick. This is in, no, I have a foundation. Okay, I have a foundation. So I went and picked up some other things to help with this look. So this is the Revolution Pro Full Coverage Foundation, but this is in the shade F18, which is gonna be too dark, which will make for a great bronzer. So this is what the applicator looks like. It technically could be my skin, but I don't know. I'm gonna put a little line right here. I'm gonna put a little line right here. I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. I want a little bronzer, nothing crazy. So taking that damp sponge again, I'm just gonna actually blend right down the line and carve up. Oh, that looks so good. Can you see? Let me fix my lighting. Oh, there it is. Woo. Oh my God. Face giving sculpt. Same thing. I'm just gonna blend this on the forehead and around the perimeter. And I'm gonna take it down a little bit and go right into this side. Hopefully you can see. Let me get closer. Can y'all see what we just did? I brought this a little further down than I would have liked. So if you ever bring it down too far, take your foundation and just blend it back like up. So that way my contour isn't like, you know, I don't want to look like that. But I do want some definition. So I'm gonna buff that out a little bit so it's a little, and let me fix my lighting. Okay, that looks so good. Okay, oh, such a brilliant idea. So face is set, bronzer's on. Before I put any of the powder products on, I'm not gonna be out too late, but I am gonna set my face. So God, that smells so good. So we're just gonna set the face for all the liquid products. Oh my God, this looks, I wish I could see this in person. It's giving. So same thing, I'm gonna now bronze a little bit along the side of the nose. Contour, I'm just gonna take the F14 like foundation stick and I'm just gonna go right here and not taking any extra product, go right there. And that's gonna be my contour for the nose. This looks so great. All right, so now that we set the face, I'm gonna do one more spray since I just added, I forgot to add that first. Now let's go ahead and do eyes, and then we'll work into the blush, lips, the lashes. We're gonna go with the Morphe palette. This is Fall into Fabulous. I picked this up actually last week right before my birthday. On my birthday. So this is their full palette. And you can see, let me get a little closer. You can see the colors. Pretty stuff. So let's go ahead and do a nice neutral. So I'm gonna layer and mix a lot of the browns, and I'm just gonna go right in with a really light hand and just, oh, that looks so good. Same thing on this side, light hand. And I'm using windshield wiper motions. And then I'm gonna take a big soft crease or big crease brush right here. And I'm gonna actually dabble into, it is nice, I'm gonna go into like this chocolate color. I'm gonna mix a little bit of that light, but, and then I'm just gonna windshield wipe right here. And you're probably like, well, why didn't you use a more, you know, pronounced brush for this? But because I don't want, when you use smaller brushes that are more compact, that's where it holds, it places, wherever you place is where the makeup stays, right? So you want to use a big brush like this, so that way you can kind of get all over the eye like that, versus having it like stuck on the end or wherever you first place. And I kind of want something a little dark just because it's nighttime. I'm gonna be wearing lashes, you know, we're gonna be in a nice little restaurant. And not really like a smoky, but just like vibe. I like that a lot. Okay, mamita. Okay. So I'm gonna go back in, taking a little bit of the first two colors I use, type some of that off, and I'm just gonna go right on top, just to blend out. That looks so good. I'm very pleased. So taking a blush brush, something big and fluffy like this, I'm just gonna go in with that lighter shade, the lightest shade, excuse me. And that's what I'm gonna use. This looks so good. This is like giving chocolate goddess. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bakery Snackaroon blush. This is in Hey Pumpkin. That's what I want. Tap that off. And just a little bit. Yeah, that's what I want. I want orange. Chef's kiss. This looks so good. And like, okay, I'm getting sidetracked. So, eyes, blush, we're pretty much done. I'm going to put on some lashes. I can't remember which Amazon pack I got this from, but y'all already know I get my stuff from Amazon. So I have these lashes. Before we do that, I'm gonna put a little mascara on mine just to give some volume. I'm having a great makeup experience right now, and I'm very thankful. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move this one. I'm glad this happened. I'm gonna have to move this one a little more in because now it's too far over. So I'm gonna take that off. And whenever this happens with magnetic lashes, it's super easy. You just take it off and then you just literally like reapply that adhesive. Liquid Wilana. Like that. And I almost always get some of that bottom line or whatever. And I think I'm gonna try a bottom lash color today. Let's see if the good Lord is gonna let me be great. And yeah, just gonna put it right there, right there. Okay, that looks really good. I'm gonna line my lips with the Juvia's Place brown lip liner called Brownie. I'm gonna overline a little bit. Y'all already know, Protector by Maybelline, the Super Matte Ink Stay. This is in a liquid matte. This is in the shade Cork. Oh yeah, I wanted this. Can we all agree that this looks great? How do we, with the hair color, and like I switched my part to a side part, like it's giving, oh baby girl, you are cute. Ooh, I love this. This came out so well. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you for getting ready with me. I hope you guys like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you are always in the know when I drop a new video. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that way you're always up to date when a new video drops. Friends and family, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, be well, do well, and be safe. Bye.